Happy March, Inner Circle Kit Club members. Here we are already in the third month of 2024. Thank you so much for being a member. We to continue to grow every single month, and a lot of that is just word of mouth. So we deeply appreciate that you're letting all your friends know about our Inner Circle Kit Club. As always, for this month, we are releasing a spread that's themed to the month. So here is March's, with Easter being in March, just barely, but being in March this year, we have just a little bit of a nod to Easter. But of course, it can be used for just a general spring kind of theme as well. So here is your March 2-page spread for what we call the traditional or the spread that's themed to the month. So spring is always good for the soul, right? It's like the perfect temperature, at least usually around in the Midwest. Great temperatures. So it's always good for the soul when we hit spring. Also, every month, one of the perks of being a member is that you are getting a free title die cut every month, and that's a predetermined title. Here is this month's. This is Cherish Today and Every Day. So this will be included with your shipment, so there's nothing you need to do. Once you place your order for the month, you'll automatically receive this in that order. If you would like to take this title and convert it to a 2-page spread, we're helping you with that this year. So we do have March's 2-page spread. So this shows you how to take this title and turn it into a 2-page spread. So as you can see that title here. So this is just a supplemental kit. And here is the second page of that. Picture perfect moments there. So this is the supplement that goes with your free title die cut for March. Now, if you are a brand new member, you will see that we also did this in January and February. So we have just a few of the supplement kits left for January and February. Just as a reminder, that this part, so that free monthly title die cut, is not a part of this kit. So if you want to go back and order January's or February's and you weren't a member during those months, don't forget you'll also need to add that specific title die cut to your cart in order to make that a 2-page spread. But as a March member, you will automatically receive this title in your order. And if you want to convert it to a 2-page spread, we have a supplemental kit for that. So here are the 2 pages to convert that free title die cut into a spread. Also, each month we release a 2-page 12x12 themed to Disney. So we've been very specific with our themes the last couple months. So I wanted to do something really general. This way you could use it with any of your Disney photos, because there's no place we would rather be, right? So there you can see kind of some of that dimension there. So here is the left side of that spread. And here is the right side of our Disney themed spread this month. So there you go. So this is the 2-page exclusive Disney for March. Anytime there are any still available once the month is over, we leave them exclusive to members for 6 months. So feel free to go back. We have a little section, a little tab that's just called exclusive design. So anything in there is available to you only as members. Don't forget to always log in first and then do your shopping. If you ever have a hiccup where it adds the shipping charges, chances are it's because that you haven't logged in. And sometimes if you've already put something in your cart and then go back to log in, it doesn't really recognize it. So if you ever see that it's going to charge shipping, usually if you log out and log back in, it's going to fix that hiccup. One last thing, also for this year, we are releasing an exclusive Disney title every month. Available only to members. You're probably noticing so far, you've seen the pattern that we're doing the lands. So this month we're doing Frontierland. It's currently out of production, so I don't have the sample, but be looking on our website. That title die cut this month that's Disney themed is Frontierland. We also offer that title die cut with a coordinating pattern paper pack if you're interested. So it's pattern papers that I have personally picked out and will go perfectly with that Disney title die cut of the month. So these are the 5 papers that I have chosen to work with our Frontierland. As you know, one of my favorite things to do is mixing and matching pattern papers. So these are all sorts of different manufacturers and collections, but I've done that hard work for you, and these will go perfectly with that Frontierland title die cut. All right, thanks for being awesome, and we'll see you again here when it's April 1st, April Fool's Day. So, happy scrapping!